What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, we are going to cover the Delta Venture. So we're going to have an overview about how the project is performing so far. Okay, so essentially the Delta Ventures, it's an ROI DApp. The front end looks like an ROI DApp, but the dev team behind this project, they will use the investors' money to perform trades, and then from those trades, they will inject back the profits to the investor. So essentially, that's how it works. And as you can see right here, we have two pools, pool number one and pool number two. Pool number one, you will earn 0.8% per day. And over here, we can see the total investment on this pool number one, 2.5K, and total rewards, excuse me, 145 USDT. And pool number two obviously is more attractive. We have 1.5% per day, okay? And total investment in this pool is 125K. Total pool rewards 5.5 K. Okay, so now you might be thinking, why there is two pools? So if you come over here to facts, we can see that we have two pools, and why? Okay, because one pool, they will use more risk than the others. Okay, hence the different daily ROI. Okay, but yeah, if you want to know more information about the project and pools and everything, you come over here and you can fully read and understand how everything works. Okay, over here we have the project stats. Okay, total investment, total rewards, and max weekly return. Okay, and also we have a calculator. So for example, if you decided to invest 1,000 bucks, okay, you will have an average over here. So let's flick it to pool number two, okay, because usually people go to pool number two. We can see that in 1 week you make 105, the API is this, and total stake will be this. Okay, so if you scroll this thing, you can see, okay, how much you will earn in a certain amount of time. So keep in mind, guys, when you invest in a project, your funds will be locked for 45 days. Okay, so let me just rephrase this. So once you deposit, okay, if you want to avoid paying 50% tax on this project, okay, you will have to keep your funds locked for 45 days. You can withdraw at any time, but if you withdraw prior to 45 days being reached, okay, you will pay a 50% tax. But if you decide to withdraw after 45 days, you are only going to pay 10% tax on that withdrawal fee. And those withdrawals could be either your total capital or um, just a portion of it. Let me just connect my wallet and let me show you what's up. Okay, right here, probably will have to refresh. Pool number two. And over here, we got my stats, okay? So over here, we can see that I have available 59 USDT. And then from there, I can select the amount. So for example, let's say I want to withdraw 30 USDT, okay? So I will have to, sorry, this is for deposits. This is for deposits. We have to flick over here to withdraw. Okay, so I have available 33 USDT to withdraw. Okay, so over here we can see, because I've not reached 45 days, it will tell me that if I decided to withdraw right now, I'll pay 50% tax, regardless if this is my rewards or my investment. The fact is, I can withdraw my rewards, but I will pay a tax on it. In order to avoid that tax, I will have to wait 18 days and 4 hours to pay just only 10% tax on that. Okay, and that's that. And over here we have the reinvestment button. Okay, so you can only reinvest every 7 days. Right now we can see I have to wait 2 days and 5 hours. Okay, so let's go over to the docs. Okay, so if you want to check the docs, come over here and let's go over here. Over here we got the beginner's guide, USDT staking. You have the KYC. They've been KYC by a Naughty Docs. They have the Naughty by I would say stamp or crypto prim. Okay, but obviously audit doesn't mean much because uh, the dev team has access to funds, so audit doesn't mean much. But it shows what privileges the owner has. Okay, that's what the audit is here for. At least that's what I would like to look for. Okay, and over here we can see the contract for the pool number 1 and pool number 2. Okay, so this is the smart contract of the pool number um, 1. Yes, let me open the pool. Sorry, the pool number 2, and the pool number 1 is this one right here, 2.3K. And over here we can see everything what's been happening with this contract. So let's go over to this coin. Let's go over to analytics and let's understand how everything works. So as you can see right here, only uh growing. Okay, so the money, it's growing, so only money going in, so no money going out of this pool number 1. Okay, so let's go over to pool number 2, where most of the people go into. Okay, so we have 49K. Okay, and over here we can see everything. So we're going to go over to analytics and let's see what's up. We can see that, there was a cash out over here and there was another cash out right there. So from here was 56K and then went to 17K, so it was about 30K right there, and another 30K or 27K more or less. Okay, and if you come over here to the transfer amounts, we can see the money going in. Obviously nobody's gonna withdraw, or barely, almost nobody's gonna withdraw, because they don't want to pay the 50% tax, but somebody actually did over here. Okay, well, actually, let me take that back. That was when they took the money out from the smart contract to perform trades, I believe. Okay. And from there, you can see another spike right there. Okay. So now if you come over here and you want to trace the money, where the money went to, okay, you can see like 30K right there. So if you click over here in this wallet, okay, it will take you to this BSC scan. Okay, and then we're gonna trace back. Okay, we can see that the money went from here to there, and from here to there, the wallet is the same, so 10K, 10K. So we click on this one, we can trace it. We can see that the money was sent from this wallet to Bybit hot wallets. Okay, so I believe this is the wallet where they are performing the trades. Okay, on Bybit, and like they showed proof of trades. Okay, we can see that they have been performing trades with Bybit. Okay, like they say over here. So we have the trading reports. If you want to check the trading reports, we can see the trading reports right here, and also on their TG group you'll find the trading reports. Okay, and lastly we have the insurance fund. Okay, so we have more information about insurance fund, and over here we got the link of the insurance fund. So the currently uh, um, uh, money inside this insurance fund is 3.3K and came from Binance Hot Wallet 10. Okay, so this is the insurance fund right there. Okay, so guys, my opinion about the project. Okay, so far so good. We have not seen any injections so far. Okay, I'm not sure when they are going to perform injections, but right now, so I believe they will perform injections when it gets close to um, you know 45 days. Okay, because obviously some people will withdraw, some people will cash out some part of their investment. I don't know, but we will see when it comes close to this 45-day cool down period. Okay, until then, I'm gonna go to the TG group and ask questions about when they are going to inject the smart contract. Okay. I don't know when, but I'm gonna ask the question, and next time I'll come over here and give you an update about Delta Ventures and more information about how everything is working. Okay, guys. But overall, so far so good. I can't complain. They've done an AMA with DeFi Sniper, and they managed to answer all those questions, no problem. Okay, which is good. And then after that AMA, the smart contract pumped. Okay, people got bullish about the project and they decided to invest a little bit more. That's why we can see that 120K total investment. Okay, slowly this project is growing. Okay, it's better to grow organically than spend a lot of money in marketing, everybody jump in, and then once the 40-day comes in, everybody cash out and game over. Okay, we don't want that. We want a long and sustainable project. Okay, so far so good. Let's see what will happen when it comes closer to day 45. Okay, so till then, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.